Okay, so these are the ingredients we need for a typical English breakfast. First, bacon, bread, tomato, eggs, mushrooms, and sausages. These are the Italian ones, but it's the only thing we have right now. Okay, first we have to wash the mushrooms. Cut off the dirt and wash it quickly under the water. Okay, now we are going to cook the sausages in a fried pan. I will use 4 maybe. Okay. Okay, now with the knife we are going to chop the mushrooms and put them in the pan like this. Slice them, and if you are a chef you can try to chop them. I'm not a chef, so I will just go like this and put them in the pan. Okay, so now we have the mushrooms on. I add a pinch of salt, and we have the sausages cooking. We are going to toast our bread in a toaster like this. Turn it on the right time to do it. And our sausages are ready. We put them on a plate for a while, and we add our bacon. Okay, the toasts are ready. Okay, now with our chopping board, our knife, we cut a few slices of tomato, quite big, like this, let's say 3, and we put them in the pan. Okay, now we need to cook the eggs. Let's put them in a small bowl. I add a little bit of oat milk. You can use the milk you prefer. Just a little. And then whisk them for a while. And our full English breakfast is ready. Have a nice breakfast.